it's funny.
Used to eat chapstick.
Yeah, like the flavored stuff. That's how weird I was. It's a small child. Oh my gosh, it looks so stupid. I don't like lip gloss, and at the same time, it tastes good. So I had this out earlier, and I dropped it. And it got on my pants. What are you doing?
Your mom.
Your mom has an naughty pencil. Oh my god. That's great.
Where's your ball, Sydney?
It's over there, Chelsea. Whatever.
Bounce your ball. Bounce it. Bounce it.
Bounce it. It's on the floor now.
Scary.
That's not the way to feel. Oh, okay. Something. Oh my gosh.
It is very funny.
It is funny. It's like the tape.
It's just funny.
It's like the tape. Okay, ready? Record.
Is he doing it?
Yes. Hey now! Make it move, Amy. Come here! Give me chicken!
Here comes the dog. He'll help.
Come on, chicken! Come on! He won't stand all the way up.
It's hilarious. Poor Cookie.
Are you getting it?
Cookie boy.
Oh, I don't care about.
Makes you feel mean, don't it?
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna make it up to him.
Oh, look how it's
Come on, buddy!
like what? Why did you do that to me? Come on, move, Cookie. My feet too.
He's gonna hurt him or something.
Bobby won't move either.
Buddy, come here!
Push him onto the ground.